Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram voice message not working in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you want to send any voice message or download any voice message and facing the issue that voice message is not working or having problem related to voice message. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, the main reason of your voice message is your microphone. So guys, first of all, you have to check that microphone is enabled on your Instagram app. So guys, how can you check this? Simply you have to open your settings, and from here you need to find privacy and security. Click on microphone, and guys, here you can see the option is my Instagram. So guys, first of all, you have to make sure that it is turn off or turn on. So guys, if off, you need to make it on. And the second step is you have to check your permission from your Instagram app. Simply you have to find your Instagram app from settings, and you have to check microphone from here. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, your problem will be fixed after doing this method. If still not fix your problem, maybe there is update problem. Simply you have to open your app store. Here you need to search Instagram, and guys, you need to check for update. If not updated your app, you need to update your app. So guys, I have already updated. If your app is not updated, you need to update it. And guys, at last you have to open your settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And guys, you need to find here Instagram. You need to offload your app, and after doing offload, you need to reinstall again and log in again your Instagram, and guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.